Hello everyone, today I will talk about casting. This is a pot and I am applying first jelly coat, first layer of resin and French chalk powder. This is matte, fiberglass matte. We will apply on the surface of my mold. Let's apply. We gently keep it on the surface of mold. We first apply our jelly coat, then we apply fiberglass. We apply it properly, and this is our first layer. We apply two layers of matte, and this is resin, this is hardener and resin has a ratio, proper ratio. I will upload a particular video about all materials. Now I am melting matte, fiberglass matte. This fiberglass matte make our product strong and give strength. We apply it properly and melt, and we will make melt the fiberglass matte properly. Let's we melt it properly. All material has a ratio. If we will apply more than proper ratio, then material will resin will set fastly and we can't do proper work. That's why we should learn about materials ratio. I will upload a dedicated video on the topic of these all materials. For this, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and like my videos. I will upload about these materials and about all artworks